Hello my dear students, this is Akash HD and welcome to the HD Physics classes. I hope so you all are doing really great. So students, in this video we are going to solve the question from the chapter waves, because number of times equation of the wave will be given. They will ask you number of quantities to calculate, maybe wavelength, maybe frequency, or even in this case the velocity of the wave. Okay, so let's go through the question. Very easy kind of questions here. The equation of a transverse wave, okay, transverse wave traveling along a string is given by this equation. Now this is the equation is there, where x is in millimeter and t is in second. The velocity of the wave is how much? Okay, so in case of transverse wave, what happens? If in case the wave is traveling along a x direction, then the medium particles will oscillate in a yz plane, perpendicular to the oscillation of the wave propagation, perpendicular to the, what to tell, if the particle is traveling along the, oscillating along the x direction, that means hello my dear students, this is Akash SD and welcome to the HD Physics classes students. I hope so you all are doing really great. So student, in this video we are going to solve the question from the chapter waves, and here one equation will be there. With the help of the equation we will get a number of kinds of physical quantities they may ask, maybe wavelength, maybe frequency, maybe speed of the wave, maybe the maximum speed of the oscillating particle, anything they may ask. Okay, so first let's go to the question. The equation of a traveling transverse wave traveling along a string is given by this one, y as a function of x and t, 4 sine, and the function is given like this. Inside the sign this value is given millimeter, where x is in millimeter and t is in second. The velocity of the wave is how much? Okay, so similar to this here, first I will write here one equation. Now we will talk about then the equation. Yx comma t, that means y as a function of x and t is given by a sine, similar to this here, kx plus omega t. Okay, and whenever we are writing kx plus omega t, that means this equation is traveling along this wave is traveling along which direction? Negative x direction. Whenever here plus sign, along negative x direction. If in case given kx minus omega t, that means positive x direction. Okay, now after that, if you compare this equation with this equation, then what will happen that here you can tell very well after the comparison. The value of a, how much is given here? Here a, here 4. That means a value is given here 4 mm. Is it here? This here mm is there. After that, if I write here the value of k, the value of k how much is given here? See, 20 into 10 to the power minus 3. 20 into 10 power minus 3. And see here, this x is given in a millimeter. That means this should be in millimeter universe now, because inside the sine function all the things should be dimensionless. So even I can write a millimeter inverse. What is this? Millimeter inverse. I will convert into the SI. So what this will become here? See, 20 into 10 power minus 3 by millimeter, or we can write here 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Okay, so minus 3 and minus 3 cancelled. Even we can write here 20 meter inverse. Now can you see here very well how we have done this? Okay, after that, if I write here the value of the omega, the value of the omega will be how much here? See, 600 radian per second. Okay, now according to the question we have to calculate here the speed of the wave. So see here, the speed of the wave is given by v equal to omega by k. Omega value can see here very well, 600 radian per second, and the k value how much is given here? 20 meter inverse. So we'll write here the 20 meter inverse, so it will make the unit here meter per second. That means when we will simplify this, it will come here 30 meter per second. But the thing is that here option is the minus 30 also, and the option is plus 30 also. Now the direction of the wave propagation has become very important. The wave is traveling along which direction? Negative x direction. That means along positive x direction plus 30 meter per second. But along the negative x direction, what is the velocity? The velocity is going to be minus 30 meter per second. Is it? Because the wave direction matters a lot. Is it? Because plus 30 minus 30, what is given? So students, I hope so this question is very clear to you. Keep studying, keep growing.